Today, we will dive into the features of Network Signal Info, Net Signal Check, and Signal Check Strength to help you optimize your network connection. Let's get started. Network Signal Info. Network Signal Info is a useful Android application that provides detailed information about your network signal strength, quality, and type. This app allows you to monitor various network parameters such as signal strength, network type, 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G, serving cell information, and more. With Network Signal Info, you can also view detailed signal graphs to track signal fluctuations over time. This app is great for users who want to analyze and optimize their network connection for better performance. Net Signal Check. Net Signal Check is a straightforward application designed to quickly check the strength and quality of your network signal. With a simple and easy-to-use interface, Net Signal Check displays essential information such as signal strength, network type, and signal quality in real time. This app is handy for users who want a quick overview of their current network signal status, without delving into advanced features. Net Signal Check provides a convenient way to assess your signal strength at a glance. Signal Check Strength. Signal Check Strength is an Android application focused on helping users assess their signal strength and quality effectively. This app offers a user-friendly interface that displays key information like signal strength, network type, and signal quality in an easy-to-understand format. Signal Check Strength also provides additional features such as signal history graphs and signal notifications to keep users informed about their network connection. This application is suitable for users looking for an intuitive tool to monitor and manage their network signal strength efficiently. Thank you for watching our video on the best network signal check applications for Android. See you in the next video.